Welcome to the last session of creating this chair. We are going to be rendering this. In the last lesson, we learned how to put all of the textures on, the materials, I should say, the wood and the denim, and then we created this floor, this beautiful wooden floor. So let's go ahead and set this whole thing up. So you see this is grayed out right now. That is because we're not in the home view. So we're going to float and go to the home view and then make sure we are in sky background and illumination. Now we can select and then go ahead and return to a view that we would prefer. I'm going to make sure that I'm working with full shadows and then click on sun status. And then if it says turn off default lighting, you should do that. Also, if it wants to do exposure, adjust exposure settings, go ahead and do that. For this, I encourage you to play around with different things to see what looks best. I'll tell you that my favorite has always been Village. I set it on Village. I make sure the environment is turned on. And then I make sure that my exposure is at 13. That's going to give me sort of an outdoor, under the sun type view, which is, to me, the most natural view. But again, play around. When you hand it in, I'd recommend you stick with my settings. It's just going to guarantee you a better grade. Okay, so over here, we are going to switch to medium. Keep that there. Make sure you are on render in window. So you're going to select window. Then for render to size, we want to do full HDTV 1920 by 1080. And then everything else should be set. The key is this. What I get is a lot of people zoomed out too much. And the main object of this is the chair. Now, I don't want all this background. It makes it difficult for me to see and to grade it. So what I want you to do is make sure you zoom in nice and tight on what I call the star. Make the chair the star. And it's okay to have it kind of off the screen a little bit here and there. Experiment. Pull in really close like this. Go ahead and hit the render. You're seeing things are chopped off. You can go ahead and stop that. You could zoom out a little bit. If you really want to get technical, you can go here and go to real-time zoom, and then you can click and drag and get an exact zoom on here. What I like to do is just have a little bit chopped off the top, a little bit chopped off the bottom, because your ribbon's in the way and your command line's in the way. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like. We want to hit escape to get out of the zoom mode, and then go ahead and hit the render. Looks like a little bit got chopped off there. So let's go ahead and cancel that, and let's pan up a little bit, just a little bit, like that. Let's see what that looks like. Much better. Only a little bit off the top, a little bit off the bottom, or a little bit extra, I should say. You got a beautiful reflection in the floor of the chair. And you could see the progress down here. We're at 31%. You want to wait until you're at 100%. When this is done, you are going to go up here. And I'll do this with you, but this is how you save. And I'm going to show you how to convert it to a JPEG. And then you'll be ready to put this drawing on the Google Classroom. While this is rendering, you can roll your mouse wheel and zoom in. And what I'm doing is I'm double checking to make sure all the grains are facing the correct direction. Anything that is horizontal, the front of the wood needs to have the grain facing the right way. And everything that is vertical needs to be facing the right way too. The denim looks great. The only criticism I could say about my drawing is I would have probably put the wood back here and the wood under here. I didn't put those in. So I'm not turning back. I'm going to leave it just like this. And if you put the wood in, then that's a bonus for you. If you don't put it in, it won't be counted against you. All right, I'm at 100% right now. Save. We're going to make sure that we're switching to JPEG. I'm also making sure that I'm in DDP and I'm putting it in my 3D folder. And you can see I've done the chair several times for practices and demos. So I'm going to just change this to chair 3D. We're going to say 05 and save. Your draft, you can crank that up to 100. 95 is fine, but why not? We'll do 100% to save. And then now the document is in the folder and ready to be posted.